Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to the next level of innovation and performance. Get ready to meet the YESTEL Android 13 tablet, a powerhouse of technology, style, and endless possibilities. Are you in search of a device that combines cutting-edge features and a sleek design? Look no further. YESTEL presents the Android 13 tablet, equipped with a stunning 11-inch display, a 256GB ROM, and a powerful Octa-Core Processor. Let's dive into the exciting world of this remarkable tablet. At the heart of the YESTEL tablet lies a robust 2.0 GHz Octa-Core processor running Android 13. It's more than just a tablet. It's a powerhouse of technology, ensuring lightning-fast speeds for all your tasks. Whether you're working, playing, or multitasking, this tablet delivers a smooth and snappy performance that's sure to impress. It's time to elevate your productivity and entertainment. Worried about storage space? Don't be. The YESTEL tablet comes with 16GB of RAM and a whopping 256GB of ROM. Plus, it's expandable up to 1TB with a TF card, not included. That's enough space for all your favorite books, songs, photos, movies, and games. Imagine having all your digital world in the palm of your hand. Now, let's talk about the visual experience. The YESTEL tablet boasts an 11-inch display with an incredible 2000 by 1200 pixel resolution. The result? Breathtaking visuals with vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're streaming your favorite movies or playing the latest games, the cinematic quality of this display will immerse you in every moment. And when it comes to staying connected, the YESTEL tablet ensures you're never out of power. With its powerful 8600 mAh battery, you get over 10 hours of non-stop entertainment. That means you can work, play, and stay productive all day long. It's perfect for those on the move and those working from home. The YESTEL tablet is your reliable companion around the clock. With a durable metal body and a portable design, this tablet is an ideal gift for adults, seniors, and children alike. YESTEL stands by the quality of its products, offering every customer a free 2-year full warranty, lifetime technical support, and 24-hour online customer service. We believe in delivering the best and making your tech dreams come true. The YESTEL Android 13 tablet is more than a tablet. It's an experience. It's your gateway to the future of technology. Elevate your tech experience with YESTEL. Get your Android 13 tablet today. Don't miss out on this exceptional device that combines power, style, and reliability. YESTEL Android 13 tablet. Unleash the future. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Elevate your tech experience with YESTEL.